Rwanda is proud to host the AI Infrastructure Activation Workshop. This program brings together partners and governments from 6 different countries to come and really discuss how to implement this AI compute for Africa.
For us as Africa, it's not a question of AI replacing people, but we're talking about AI being something that helps push us forward and is inclusive.
This is part of the Timbuktu Edge initiative. It's meant to provide African governments with compute capability, the ability to actually start to own their own data, their own AI intelligence, and we're really, really excited about this.
Et rares sont les ateliers qui s'organisent de cette manière avec des outils très intéressants. J'ai beaucoup aimé l'outil sur la durabilité de l'infrastructure. J'ai beaucoup aimé l'outil sur le mapping des partenaires, qui est beaucoup plus grand que ce qu'on a l'habitude de faire. Et je pense que ça nous permet d'être très concret.
Several countries are exploring building their own data centers. We're talking about how to address energy challenges, but also we're talking about how to scale use cases in the hands of people.
It was very valuable for me as well to look at it not from just the technology side, but from the governance side and from how do you get people interested in this technology.
Another thing that has been very useful has been looking into potential financial models. That was also something that was interesting to understand a bit further and what different country offices are looking at. And
ça nous a permis d'avoir une idée un peu plus précise sur les différentes étapes à avoir pour planifier les projets.
We brought in governments because we need somebody who understands both the infrastructure and its use cases to be able to put down the rules and the regulations that will govern its use, that will protect our data, that would allow us to create solutions that are specific for Africa.